everyone. Welcome to today's Beauty Break with Bentley. For today's Beauty Break with Bentley, I'm showing you my Irresistible Me extensions, clip-in extensions, and I thought, just to be different, instead of showing you how I put them on, I would start off with them on so you can see how incredibly full my hair is. It's nice and long, but I have to say that these were only 24-inch ones, so they're not really too much longer than my hair. But I think they look amazing, and my hair is so much thicker. I tried to scoot back so you could see. See, here is my hair, and here is the extension. So you've got, a few inches, but they only come in 28 inches is the longest one, but this kind only came in the 24-inch, so that's what they sent me. I think the color match is just amazing. The first time I ordered them, I ordered Classic Platinum because that's what I thought my hair was, and when I got them, it was the wrong color. But they come, when you get them, they come in this. And it has this seal over this big half. And this is where almost all of them are. They're in one of these little hair nets and they're bundled together. And then there's just one piece over here, like a single piece. And you're supposed to only open, you're not supposed to break this seal. You're supposed to only open this one, take out the single piece, hold it up to see if it's the right color and it's the right length and everything you want. Because if you open this part, you can't return them. So you need to be really careful and make sure they're the right color, because the first time I did it, I did. And this one also came in its own little hairnet. So I just took it out of the hairnet. I think there might have been 2 single clips together, just the single ones. But I didn't unbundle them or anything. I just took them out of the little hairnet. And I hung it, like this, and I saw that they were the wrong color, so I put it back in the hairnet, stuck it back in there, put it back in the box it comes in, just like this. And they sent me a label. I sent it back, and sent me, and I went online and looked at the colors again and decided white blonde. That's what color I've got, white blonde. It was my color. Anyways, now that you got that story. Anyways, what I have is the white blonde in the 24-inch, and it is the 100 grams. There's 100, 150, and 200. I think it's grams. Anyways, I have the smallest one that's 100, and this is not a sponsored video. They sent me the hair, but I'm not getting paid anything, so it's not sponsored. I get to tell you exactly how I feel, which is the only way I would do it. Anyway, I thought rather than showing you how I put them in, since there's a million videos on YouTube of how to put them in, I would show you, I already have them in, I wanted to show you the after first, so that as I take them out, you can see how much they add to my hair. So, I'm going to take this one over here out first because it was the one I kind of got in wrong. I've only put these in like twice. And they're really easy to put in. So, and oh, I was going to show you something too. You get, with this set, you get 5 of these. This one has 2 clips, and I don't have enough head. When I tried to put them on with, put all of these in with clips by themselves, I couldn't get them all on. I didn't have enough room on my head for them. So I clipped two of the 2s together because I still wanted the length and volume. I just didn't want to have to clip them all on my hair. So I clipped these 2 together, and then I clipped this in. So it was a 2, and it went this way. And the first time I did it, I got it up too high, and you could see it. So I moved it down a little bit, and as you can see, it still looks great. And I'm just going to lay these over here. And then on this side, I have another one that I have clipped 2 together. And all I did was I just parted my hair just like this. And then I clipped it over with a clip just to hold it out of my way. And then I'll show you what I did. So this is another one that's got 2 sets clipped together because you get 5 of these. So I actually have one left that I didn't use. I could probably have put it right here, but I felt like I had enough. It was heavy. So I had enough. So then when I put them in, what I do is I part it like that, and then I took a comb and I just hold out a row of hair where it's going to go, and I just back brush it to get a little bit of a knot right there to help it not slide, because my hair is clean right now. And so I've taken out 2, and then I have across the back, I have the big one. You get one with 4 clips in it. And I just parted it straight behind my ears, straight across the back. And then I tied this up here like this with a clip. And then I took my comb and I back brushed it all. This one is not a double though. This one is a single because you only get one of these 4 clip ones. But I'm amazed because I thought when I first got it, I thought, you know, it's not going to add any length. And I curled these. I used, this is a man's pants hanger, and I just slid this guy in here. And one of the 2 ones, I put them both in here, and then I just flipped this wooden thing over, which is what you do when you have pants. And then it just holds it, and I hung it on a towel rack, and then I just used my wand to curl this. And I did that to all these pieces. So now I still have one more piece in my hair, and I'm just going to leave that pinned up. And this is a double 3 clipper. So I'm just going to pull this up, add it to this clip, and take this one out. And this one is also a double one. Did I just say that? So it's got 2 of the 3 clips together. And I also curled it on, I have 2 of these hangers. So I put a 3 clipper and a 2 clipper, and then a 4 clipper and a 2 clipper on the hanger. And that is how I curled it. And this is my hair without the extensions in it. So see, you get a lot of volume. My hair is not, like I said, not that much longer, but you can see it was longer, just not like a lot of people when they'll have like short hair and they get extensions and it's huge long. But it's a little bit longer, but it's a lot fuller. And it was really nice. I really liked it. I was really impressed with it. So they sent these to me, so I have a link, and they also sent me, I think if you use the link, or they sent me a code for 20% off, but the last email I got from them said that during the holidays, you're probably going to get a better deal not using the code, the 20%. So they're going to be like on sale for probably more than 20%. So I will put the link and the code below, but if there's a better deal, use the better deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Stay cool.